157. Act number 157 is a 9 to 12 Broadway show group. Please welcome Honk.
Now, don't go thinking that this is the whole world. It's just as far beyond the other side of the lake, right into the churchyard. Though, I've never been that far myself. Ricky, let's explore. Wait. There are 1 or 2 nests before you paddle off. Number 1, no web feet in the nest. Number 2, you must feather your own nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton between meals. Wait a minute, you're not all here.
Hey guys, there's gonna be another member of the gang.
Oh, quack, and it's the big one.
Look at the shell on that. Excellent. How come he got such a big egg?
Yeah, we all got turned into a regular size show, but that one got a queen size ostrich show.
It's not fair, Mama!
It's not fair!
Hi kids, I'm your dad. Take a good look at him because you probably won't see him that often.
Well, 2 to 4, you missed it. The pitter-patter of petite paddles.
Well, I'm here now. Okay kids, who's for a swim? What's the matter? All that sitting around taking it out on you?
The stew went to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me see that egg again. It's definitely a turkey. You'll never get it to go in the water. Just forget it. Oi, cut that out! Come teach the others to swim properly.
You might as well teach the other ones to swim properly. I've sat for so long, a few more days would make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear.
Oh my word!
What's marmalade?
It's sort of an orange dessert, often found on toast.
No. What's marmalade?
Oh my, Ida, now listen very carefully, love. I want you to walk towards me very slowly. No sudden moves.
What are you quacking about?
There's something behind you, something not very nice.
That's your son, dear.
Ah, I've created a monster!
Now don't be ridiculous. He's just not your normal run-off-the-man pond duck. That's all.
That's all? Ida, I have a reputation.
I know, dear, and I wouldn't brag about it if I were you.
I'm scared.
Cranberry sauce! See, he didn't even flinch. Now, I want all of you to get spruced up. It's time to meet the other members of the duck yard and be educated in the ways of the world. Freak! Don't stare at him.
Okay,